Without my fucking totems on the floor. Motherfucker. I'm not gonna hurt myself. I'm not gonna hurt myself. I'm not gonna hurt myself because there's a there's a point you get to where it hurts so bad it just stops hurting. Everything stops hurting. You don't have to carry around you don't have to carry around the weight anymore. You don't have to carry around the fucking burden of being that guy that everybody fucking looks at and nobody respects. Nothing hurts when you're gone. Nothing. Fuck rap. Fuck rap. Fuck rap. Am I gonna sit here and rap to myself? Am I gonna sit here and rap to my fucking self? I was in the same goddamn town tonight as the fucking Grammys. And what did I do? I sat in a fucking Starbucks for 5 hours, and then I sat in a fucking car for 5 hours. I'm a fucking joke. I'm nothing. I am fucking nothing. I am nothing but a fat joke. And fat jokes are only funny once. Is that funny? Is that funny? Is it funny? Is it funny? Is it funny if I just swallow the bone and everything and choke to death? Is that funny? Is that funny to you? Is that funny? Are you fucking laughing? Laughing.